This is Shelley Craft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the William E. Hanna Jr. Innovation Center at Shady Grove in Rockville, Maryland, on location. I have with me John Cadwell of FiberCell Systems. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you so much for having me, Shelley.
It's good to have you. Okay, I see you're holding a prop. You're really prepared for this, so tell me about FiberCell.
FiberCell Systems is a privately held company that is the premier supplier of small to large-scale hollow fiber bioreactor systems in the world. We use these for the manufacture of monoclonal antibodies, recombinant proteins, antibody testing, PK/PD toxicology studies, and also the larger scale production for biomanufacturing of protein drugs.
So you're not just a startup, you're more of a ramp-up.
We were founded in the year 2000, March 15th. And yes, we are, though, privately held, and we have been in business in the research market for about 12 years now.
So who are some of the companies and types of companies that would use your products?
Our business is primarily academic in nature, but we also work with larger biopharmaceutical companies such as Merck, Roche, AstraZeneca, and lots of startup biotech companies who are looking to produce quantities of proteins that are appropriate for pre-phase 1 clinical studies.
So what size market is it?
Well, that's awfully hard to determine. We're a very small niche of a very large market. I would have to estimate the market could be anywhere from $500 million to $2 to $5 billion, depending on how you segment it.
And do you have any competition?
Essentially, no. Hollow fiber is an old technology. It was founded in 1972. It was invented by Richard Nasik. All the patents on the fundamental issues of hollow fiber have all since expired. So we are priding ourselves in our application development, our customer support, and our sales and customer relations.
So now, what are you going to show me with this prop?
Well, what we have here, this is our medium-sized hollow fiber bioreactor cartridge. It's about 3,000 square centimeters of surface area. It holds about 20 milliliters volume of cells. And this is something that companies will use if they want to produce anywhere from, let's say, 100 milligrams on up to several grams of a monoclonal antibody or recombinant protein.
I was just going to say one thing. So is this like the razor and this is the razor blade in there?
No, this whole thing would be the razor. When you purchase a cartridge, you get everything from here on pre-sterilized and ready to go. The concept behind hollow fiber is that it is a more in vivo-like way of growing cells. The hollow fibers represent capillaries, and the cells grow on the outside of the capillaries. We circulate media through the insides of the capillaries. Gas exchange will take place across this silicone tubing, and we use a proprietary positive pressure displacement pumping system, or I call it a squishy pump. It works just like your heart. We have two one-way check valves that generate the flow rate. So the media recirculates, nourishes the cells, and then every day or two we can come in and just harvest our product out utilizing these syringes. Very
interesting. So let me ask you a question. How much does a unit like this sell for?
Well, the cartridge itself is $430 is what the list price is. It can support cells for up to 6 months of continuous production. The advantages of hollow fiber are that we have higher concentration of product, a more in vivo-like environment for growing cells, so we see superior protein production. Also, we can have a proprietary simplified media that is, you're asking about razor blades, so this is also, we have the shaving cream as well. So we use the shaving cream, the CDMHD, which is our chemically defined, protein-free, animal component-free, CGMP-compliant serum replacement that's optimized for use in our system, so the proteins that are produced are not only superior or improved in terms of their glycosylation patterns and folding, but also they're very free from contaminating proteins and intracellular DNA from the cells themselves.
What's your background?
I have a master's degree in pharmacology and have spent many years in this industry.
Yeah, you seem to know what you're talking about.
I should hope so. I'm sorry.
And John, please tell me, who else is in the company?
Well, we're a very small, privately held company, but I work with my wife, Gail, who was vice president of FiberCell. We have my partner, Kevin Barnes, who is handling manufacturing with a facility here in Baltimore. We also have a sales rep that is based out of Logan, Utah, and we have a manufacturing facility that is based in Europe that is ISO 9001 certified. So we're mainly dependent upon OEM manufacturing.
So question, and I'll keep it simple. Website?
Our website is www.fibercellsystems.com.
Any special spelling on?
Specific spellings, just make sure it's plural.
Okay, you got it. Okay. And let me thank you for coming on to SNNLive, ladies and gentlemen. This is Shelley Craft. I am with John Cadwell of FiberCell Systems, Inc. We are coming to you live from the William E. Hanna Jr. Innovation Center at Shady Grove in Rockville, Maryland. Again, thank you for coming on to SNNLive.
Thanks for having me, Shelley. Thank you.